Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. And in today's episode, we're going to show you how to log out Instagram from all devices without changing passwords. This is not only about your Instagram account but all Meta accounts that you have linked together like Facebook, etc. First, of course, you gotta open Instagram app on your device. And here I'm using my phone for example. Go to your profile and click on the three lines show up in the top right corner there. Click on Settings and Privacy as this is the latest version of the application. Next, you gotta go to Account Center. Go to Password and Security. In the Security Check section, click on where you logged in. In here, they have all your Meta accounts that link together. For example, I have Facebook and Instagram. Click on the account that you want to log out. I chose Instagram. Click on Select Devices to log out. You can select manually or select them all, and then click on Logout. I hope this video is helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.